What's going on, all my winners? And today we bring you this 2023 Acura TLX A-Spec. Let me show you this bad boy. The A-Spec means that this car is fully equipped with the goods. Even though the Type S costs a whole 10 grand more, this car still gives you what you want for a luxury sports sedan, guys. It really does. It's the first ever Acura with a turbo engine, guys. So this is a big deal. You know, it comes with 272 horsepower and 280 foot-pound of torque. In this video, we're gonna talk about the car and also talk about the design of the car. And then we're gonna tint it and show you what the tint looks like from the outside of the car and also from the inside looking out of the car. If you guys wanna skip around, we're gonna have this video timestamp in the description below so you can just jump around on the video wherever you guys wanna go. Let's start with the tail lights because these tail lights are super interesting. Let's check them out. So if you guys notice, look at the inside of this piece right here. It's kind of dented in or inwards. It's just kind of like, it has a lot of shape to it, these tail lights. Aggressive, nice shape, pointy, lots of turns and curves. This is a really, really nice tail light. These come with the flat mufflers, rectangle-ish right there, compared to the Type S exhaust. Again, there's no comparison. The Type S comes with the quad round mufflers. Aesthetically, they just look so much better on the car. The lines on this car are stellar, guys. They really do protrude out. If you guys notice, they're really sharp and edgy. They're not so subtle, right? And if you guys notice the line here, look at the line right here. It's a whole new line right here all the way across. It's a beautiful line. This car has beautiful lines, guys. These are 19-inch rims right here. Gunmetal gray. Compared to the Type S, of course, the 20-inch rim, it's a bigger rim. The Type S is the top tier of this vehicle, so the rims usually be a little more sportier. We're not gonna overlook how good these headlights look. Look at this. The interior design is beautiful. It has that black housing on the inside, so it's trendy. The front grille looks amazing. It's kind of like water moving with speed to the sides or something like that. Drastic change on this Acura emblem right here. If you notice, before it used to be this bulky oval circle looking thing here, and it had the chrome bezel around it, which people would bring all the time to get wrapped. This can get wrapped in some Orco film or some taillight film, and it would look tinted. If you guys notice, this piece right here has that V look. It's kind of V-ish, right? It's very sporty, lots of curves, lots of lines. Just looks so good. Look at that, guys. That whole design right here, of the mouth right here. Compared to the Type S, that comes with a lip across the front bumper that gives it that nice ground effect. We already showed you what it looks like on the outside. Wow. Oh, that looks so dope, guys. Look at that. Man, that seat went all the way back. Let's give it a little start right here so you can see it. There you go. Nice and quiet and chill. Oh, man. What a beautiful car, guys. This is not, it's comfortable. These seats are actually really comfortable. They're bulky. If you guys notice, they're kind of chunky. That's a really beautiful seat. It's sporty. It still has the bucket feel, you know, and the bucket look kind of, sort of, but super comfortable to sit in. The red stands out. It has the coral red stitching on it. Everything looks pretty simple and easy to touch. The buttons instead of a shifter, which is what's in. Acura uses it a lot. The dynamic mode, I guess this changes your driving mode, you know, whether if you wanted sport or eco. Air conditioned seats and heated seats on this bad boy, so it comes loaded. You know, the screen's big enough. It has the stitching on the steering wheel right here too, and the A-Spec right there to let you know that, yeah, you're driving that sporty looking one. You know, it's not the base model. Cluster looks great, beautiful, nice and simple. Really nice. It's a beautiful sporty steering wheel. It's got the perforated leather on the edge of it because you know what happens is when we're driving, our hands start sweating. This perforated leather helps our hands breathe, you know, for the sweating. So it's a nice little touch right there. Only when you're, you know, in that go mode or you're flapping these paddle shifters. It's got a lot of buttons. This door panel looks great. Look at this. Everything's nice and simple, right? I don't know how I feel about this trim right here because it's like, you know, it's porous. So the plasticky trim, this plastic trim really doesn't look good. The Type S comes with the carbon fiber trim. Come on, guys. You know how I feel about carbon fiber. I love carbon fiber. Lambos come with carbon fiber interior. So there's nothing higher than a carbon fiber interior trim. And I feel like I would definitely go with the carbon fiber trim versus this plastic trim. Carbon fiber, guys. If you don't want to get the real stuff, which is pretty pricey, we got this vinyl that's pretty close to it. Let's just get out this bad boy first. We're gonna be putting 35 ceramic tint on the front windshield, right? And then we'll be doing 20% ceramic tint on the 4 doors right here. And then these corner ones right here. These little ones right here also get 20% ceramic tint on them. And then he also wants 5% ceramic tint on the rear windshield. All right, guys, enough of the shenanigans. Let's get the tinting on this car. We'll show you what the car looks like once it's finished. Don't go anywhere. We're stoked. We're stoked. All right, guys, we just finished this Acura. This gentleman got 35% on this front windshield ceramic tint. And then we put 20% ceramic tint on these sides, even on the other side, the 4 doors and these little corner ones. And then we put 5% ceramic tint on this back windshield right here. Boom. Look at that. Stellar. It's beautiful, guys. The car came out perfect. The lining on the window is amazing. Of course, you know, we like to line it up with the top edge, really micro edge that. That front windshield's beyond clean, guys. It's really good. The car, all in all, it just looks so much better with tint. Do you agree? You agree that it looks better with tint? It does. Of course it does. Now let's get the inside of this bad boy. See what this looks like looking out of it real quick. Let's get in here. He got 35 on this front windshield right here, guys. 35% ceramic tint here, the front windshield. It's 20% ceramic tint on that door. 20% ceramic tint on that door. 20% ceramic tint on that little one. Right there, that back windshield right there gets 5% ceramic tint on there. Start this bad boy and get it out of here. Show you what the car looks like outside. The reverse button right here. The reverse camera. Here we go right here. This is the volume. Let's bring this down so you guys can hear me. The best part of my job, guys, is to be able to drive these cars. I love that I can drive the cars, you know? So buying a car is easy for me because I already know what I want because I've driven most of the cars in the road nowadays. Even the supercars, we drive the Lambos, the Raris, you know. And the park button right here. There, boom. There you go, guys. Let's get out of here and see what this bad boy looks like outside. Look at this thing, man. Oh, wow, guys. That's a nice car. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we drop one of our really cool videos. See you next time.